Hey everybody. I'm doing a quick video here on how to put an SSD into the Acer Aspire 7750G. I was trying to do it. I couldn't find much online because basically the back panel here, you can put an SSD in it, but there's these like structural ribs or fins or whatever on the back that basically try to wreck your day. The other one sits a little lower. Obviously this one actually sits a little bit higher, so if you were going to actually put this right in there, it sits too high and you can't get the back case on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of these ribs. I've already started and I decided to make a video. I'm going to cut these ribs off. I started with a pocket knife, but I'll probably end up using a Dremel to finish it off. Now, the other part is, even though you will cut those ribs off, it's actually still going to be a little too small. So what I found is that you can actually disassemble this SSD into what is going to be quite a bit smaller. It's actually very, very simple to do. I've had this little screwdriver for years. It doesn't even fit, honestly. It's just a little flathead. There's 3 screws, one here, and actually 2 you can just press and feel. You'll feel the hole there and right here underneath the sticker. So just kind of, I don't know, I just pressed my screwdriver in, broke around the sticker there, and was able to unscrew these 3 little screws here. So these are actually, they're not Torx. They have 5, I don't know, like a 5-star almost, right? I just had this flat little screwdriver, unscrewed it. Anyway, you guys can figure that out. So once that's unscrewed, this is the Samsung SSD 850 Evo. I'm sure similar models are fairly similar. If you're getting one of these, they're top of the line right now at a good price. That's unscrewed. This comes off. That's all it is, right? So that actually is going to fit in here very simply. And all you have to do is slide it in. And that's it. Obviously, there's some setup to do. I'm going to be installing Windows on this one, and I've still got all my data over there, so I'm going to. Sorry, I just got a text. I will be, yeah, running Windows off there, whatever. So I'm going to run Windows off this and use that as my backup with all my information. Now, I'm going to probably cut out here and Dremel that crap off. All right, there we go. I took my Dremel to this little section here. Just that little bit's all you need. I made sure to leave those ribs there just for some support so it's not coming in and crushing the SSD. I had to go all the way over and there was one of these little pegs. I had to go over and take that off, but yeah, it fits great now. So if you've gone this far, I'm sure you can figure out how to put this back on. But that slides in. Oh, I've still got it wet. I was washing my hands after. It should pop down. There we go. Good. Put the battery back in. You're set. Reinstall your Windows and should be good to go. Oh yeah, change your BIOS settings. Well, that's really up to you. I barely even know what I'm doing right now anyway, so good luck, guys.